दूध जाता है फिर क्या करना है बताओ।
नहीं नहीं चलो चलो चलेगा।
तुम्हारा क्या हमको तेज करना है।
तुम करो ड्राइव।
नहीं संभाल ले ना।
I have always wondered, why is it so satisfying to drive a car? Maybe it's the excitement of speed, or maybe it's about having a freedom to go wherever you want to go. For some, it's a status symbol, for some, it is a luxury. For me, I love the harmony of different mechanical parts combined in a smart way to make these machines roll. And I love the fact that we humans are capable of mastering this machine to drive at unreal speed, commanded by a steering wheel and pedals. From my childhood, I have been attracted to cars, and I have loved doing anything that is available to me which is related to cars. Whether it's about drawing cars or playing car games, doing road trips or go-karting.
Very nice. चार हो गए, सोच के निकलना अगला वाला तुम्हारे टायर के बारे में.
Last month, I had amazing opportunity to drive wonderful racing car. This is YAS3000. You can experience driving this car at Yas Marina circuit in Abu Dhabi. This is a serious machine. With carbon fiber monocoque and 3-liter V6 engine, it can go at speed that will redefine your sense of speed. Driving this car was one of the best experiences of my life. So enjoy this footage of my one of the lap in this car.